So, what are balloons? I know what you must be thinking. They're kidding, right? I mean, we all obviously know what balloons are. Balloons have always featured in our lives on various occasions, heralding joyful events of every kind, from birthdays to graduations to anniversaries. But are they really all that good? We've all let go of a helium filled balloon at least once in our lives and watched it soar away, never thinking twice about this action or its consequences, because although it might be pretty, all that glitters is not gold. Ultimately, balloons are made of plastic and cannot be reused. We also buy them in masses, leading to major plastic pollution. According to Newton's third law of motion, what goes up must come down. The same applies to balloons. When a balloon gravitates back to the earth, it creates an entirely new and very deadly situation for our wildlife and animals. It may be ingested by animals and could block the intestinal tracts. This will lead to the slow starvation of this animal. Since it doesn't receive any nutrition, it becomes an extremely painful death. The second way balloons usually affect the environment is through the strings that are tied to them. These strings get tangled in animals' extremities and can render them incapable of finding food, shelter, or safety from predators. The waste that has been surveyed in the past 10 years has tripled from the amount found in the late 1990s and early 2000s, especially on beaches. How can we help change this? We can refrain from releasing balloons into the air because it being fun doesn't mean it's good for the environment. We can cut down on the use of balloons because they aren't an essential part of our lives. They aren't irreplaceable. After all, it's not the decorations that make our day special.